We thought it would be fun for Halloween to try being mad scientists. Okay, are you ready to be a scientist, my love? Do you know what the first step is?
Nah.
Okay, so I'm gonna have you be the pourer. So here's what we're using. Vinegar. How did you know? And
Baking soda.
wow. And do you know what this is?
No. Cookie.
Food coloring. The thing we're going to do is give you some vinegar.
Let's see. At first I need to look at it.
Oh yes, inspect. Okay. Be gentle, there you go. You don't have to pour all of it in if you don't want to. Okay. Would you like more vinegar in there? Or would you like to put some vinegar in your other glass cups? And would you like to use your dropper? Here, I'll give you your tiny little measuring cup. You can use your dropper or of course. Good job. Oh boy, I think that's probably enough in that one. Would you like to fill up either of these little cups?
No.
Well, don't you want to do more than one explosion? Okay, so we need more than one cup filled. Would you like to pour it into these two? Or would you like to? Okay. Very clever. Would you like some more for this one here? Okay, so now it's time to add the colors. You said you wanted this one to be orange, right? So I'm going to take a few. What color is this?
Orange.
Oh, what color is this?
Red.
Red, correct. Ready?
Red and yellow make orange.
Would you like to use your stir stick to stir up the red?
And then I
And
can
then
add some yellow.
we sure are. Good work, little scientist. Okay, give it a shot. See if we need some more yellow. Oh! Do you see it turning orange?
It's orange.
It's orange. Awesome.
Here, okay.
Yes, you can put that there. Why don't we do one of these just red?
Sure.
Right? Kind of like spooky blood. This one?
I'll tell you when to stop.
You can do it darker if you want. What do you think? More? Oh, that's better. That's more blood-like. So Callie wanted to make black, which I don't know if we can make, but we can try. Maybe we can make a really dark purple. What do you know what colors make purple? Red and yeah, let's see. Why don't you give those a stir? And get a spooky dark purple. Oh yeah. That's kind of blackish, don't you think? Okay, mamas, this is maybe where you want to do a venue change. It is a cloudy but warm day for us here in the Northeast. No, you're going to be over here. So we have moved outside because we know the next part of this spooky science mission is that it's going to be messy, right? Okay, so yeah, let's see. Callie, do you want to use your measuring?
I'm using this.
You can use that one. Which one are you going to put the baking soda in first? Oh boy, okay. Now this is going to give a slow fizz. Oh. Oh, it's faster than I thought it was going to be. And the more baking soda you add, the bigger the explosion. This really is mad science-y. Oh boy! See if you can add more to the orange if it'll go again. Oh! Obviously, you could do this experiment year-round, but it's really fun during Halloween to make Halloween colors, and Callie loved being and playing a mad scientist. I'm going to link the science kit that we used down below. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. We'll see you next week.